Hello, my name is Mara Rose. Today we are going to be making cotton candy. Here are the ingredients. 2.5 cups of white granulated sugar, 1.5 cups water, 1.5 cups corn syrup, 1 pinch salt, non-stick cooking spray, food coloring, optional. Here's the sugar. Here's the water. 1/2 cup of corn syrup. Ooh, look at it ooze. Now we add a pinch of salt. Stir until the sugar has melted. Now we are going to boil this to 320 degrees. Take an old whisk and cut off the top. Make sure the metal is spread. I will show you how to use this, in fact, later. Make sure you want to get all the edges. At 320 degrees, pour it into a separate bowl. We dip it in. Little strings come out, and this is a part that's really dangerous but fun. As it dries, it cools into strands. Yeah, that looks better. This is delicious. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.